In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Threads post to your Instagram story on iPhone. If you've ever seen a great post on Threads and wanted your Instagram followers to catch it too, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do that, step by step, without any confusion. All you need is the Threads app and the Instagram app installed and signed in on your iPhone. Start by opening the Threads app. Give it a second to load your feed and make sure you're connected to the internet so everything displays correctly. If you haven't used Threads in a while, it's a good idea to update the app first to ensure the share options appear as expected. Next, find the specific thread you want to share. You can scroll your home feed, search for the account, or visit your own profile if it's something you posted. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact post you want to highlight. This helps you avoid sharing the wrong one by accident. When you've got the right post, look just below it for the share icon. On iPhone, it looks like an arrow pointing up and out. Tap that icon. This brings up your sharing options and is the key to getting the content into Instagram while keeping the original context intact. From the share options, choose Share to Instagram Story. This is the built-in shortcut that hands the post off to Instagram with everything formatted for a story. If you don't see the option, double-check that Instagram is installed and you're using the latest versions of both apps. Instagram will open automatically to the Story Composer with the thread already placed on the canvas. You'll see a preview of the post, and it's ready to go. At this point, the content is staged in your story so your followers can view it, and if they want, tap through to the original post on Threads. If you like, you can adjust the size or position of the preview on the screen, but that's completely optional. When you're happy, you're ready to publish. Tap your story to post immediately to your story for all your followers who can see your stories. If you prefer using the Send to Screen first, tap Send to, and then select your story to finalize the share. Either path does the same thing, so choose whichever feels more comfortable. And that's it. You've shared a Threads post directly to your Instagram story in just a few taps. This method keeps the original look of the thread and makes it easy for your audience to discover more on Threads.